How to share a CapCut project. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to easily share your CapCut projects. It's super simple and won't take much of your time. First things first, open up your CapCut app and then go to edit option on the bottom left. Here you'll find all your projects. Tap on the project that you want to share, and then once you're done editing, you'll see export option on the top right. Go ahead and tap on it. So this will start the sharing process. So once you do that, you can see various options where you can share your CapCut project. You can share it to TikTok, Instagram, Instagram stories, WhatsApp, Facebook, and many more. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.